Okay, one promise that President Trump could not keep because of opposition. Now we're talking about this elimination of the tax break for Wall Street. It's called carried interest. It's where the private equity and hedge fund guys can pay their taxes at a lower 20% income tax rate. It's a big black eye in the bill because Democrats can now use it to campaign on it. They're saying it's proof the GOP is giving tax breaks to the wealthy, as the tax bill wipes out all sorts of individual deductions for things like state and local property taxes and business deductions. But the White House did want to end it. Economic advisor Gary Cohn said the administration tried, quote, 25 times. But watch this. Blue state politicians, meaning New York and California, now blamed for keeping it intact. That's according to reports. Also, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin reportedly urged keeping it as well, but with new limits. Let's bring in RNC spokesperson Kayleigh McEnany. Merry Christmas, Kayleigh. It looks pretty bad. Why didn't it get yanked?
Merry Christmas to you too, Liz. Well, the president wanted this. He campaigned on this. He said he wanted this out, this deduction out. Didn't get out because, as you pointed out, there were some members of Congress who wanted it in. But what I would point out is all of the things the president did get that are big victories for the American people, like the fact that corporations can't deduct entertainment anymore, the fact that members of Congress can't deduct their living expenses, local lobbyists can't deduct those expenses anymore. There's a lot of good in here, but as Legislative Affairs Director Mark Short said, that's a fight we're going to have for another day, the carried interest.
Congress could deduct their living expenses? What? They could?
I was baffled, Liz, when I saw that. I actually went to read the text of the bill to confirm this, but yes, they could. Before this bill, now they can't anymore.
So they get almost practically pensions for life, with meaning practically their entire salary. They get sweet health care, and they can deduct their living expenses, plus get their sexual harassment cases paid off for by U.S. taxpayers? What's going on here?
It's absolutely incredible. When I read it, I literally had to read it 3 times because I just couldn't believe it. And I wish members of Congress would be out there touting this. You know, we got rid of something that was in our interest because we want to make this more equitable. We want a Congress that works for the American people. So I'm glad they got
wait a minute.
out.
How can they work for the American people if they're so out of touch getting stuff like that written into law? And you know what, Kayleigh? I broke the story way back in the day that they had their own personal IRS office to help them with the tax law that they wrote to get their tax returns done. But let's get back to Wall Street. Will President Trump get another crack at trying to eliminate the carried interest, that lower tax rate for the hedge fund and private equity guys? Is he going to get another crack at it, or did he lose his chance?
No, he'll get another crack at it. As we remember in the Reagan years, Reagan had tax cuts in several packages. It came in parts. It didn't come all at once. So there will be a second bite at the apple.
Is he upset about
President Trump. I'm sure he is, because this is something he really wanted. Apparently, he made a last-ditch effort 2 days before they voted to say, come on, guys, let's get this out. At the end of the day, you know, he got most of what he wanted, 95%, but that last 5% he had to give in order to have a tax cut bill for the American people.
All right, let's get to the Democrats now on the warpath against the Republicans and President Trump. Reports say, Kayleigh, that Senator Mitch McConnell now fears that Republicans could lose one chamber, meaning the House. What do you guys doing to push back on that? Because it's a big fear, Politico reporting that there's high-level anxiety about this. What do you say?
Well, I think that the RNC, we look at our record fundraising numbers, the fact that we're doubling what the DNC is doing, that tells you a lot. And most of those are small donations, by the way, the vast majority. There's enthusiasm behind President Trump. And as the economy ticks up, you know, we're hitting 3% GDP. Some forecasts show we might hit 4%. And with tax cuts as the tailwind, we're going to have a robust, booming economy. The map is already in our favor, certainly the Senate in our favor. And then I think our fundraising numbers signify a lot of enthusiasm for Trump and the Republican Party.
If you dig out any other tax breaks for Congress in that bill, Kayleigh, come back to us. We're going to get you right on the show. Whoa, they can deduct their. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Kayleigh McEnany. Merry Christmas to you. Thanks so much for coming on.